Welcome back to Biz Highway. My name is Eric Sederberg. We're here again with the American muscle part of this collection we currently have for sale on our site. This is a beautifully restored, immaculate condition, 1972 Plymouth Cuda. There's a lot to say about this car, but the most important thing is the condition of it. I have yet to see such a clean, well-restored Cuda ever. Very important to really look at every single photo we've taken this car, just to really show how good it is. So if you're looking for a collector quality, classic, American, big power muscle car, this is no doubt the car for you.